So what is IGTV and how do you set it up? Well, you need to have an Instagram account to have a working IGTV account. So when you have downloaded the IGTV app to your phone from the App Store or the Play Store, you'll be welcomed with this screen. Okay, so it says here, welcome to IGTV. Watch videos from the creators you already follow on Instagram and find new videos and creators that you love. So you log in with your account, so you click continue, and what it does is it will open up the account for you. So as you can see, this is my account, but it's bringing in my follower. You go to the little button here, you see where it says the blank me, and what you do is you click create channel. So you're going to create a channel, and then it's going to go create your channel. IGTV is a new space to be creative and engage your audience with longer videos. Next, share your longer videos. With longer videos, longer than a minute, you can do more. And it's true, you can do a lot more with videos that are longer than 60 seconds. So you click next. Then it says it's built for vertical. So IGTV is built for full screen vertical videos. So it makes it easier for your followers to watch your videos on the mobile. So now the next one is you create your channel. So now I've created my channel, I'm going to click view your channel. So you click on the person's icon and here you go. It says Hot Women Cool Dudes. It's just an account that I've been using at the moment, and it's got no videos, so you can upload your video first. Actually creating your first IGTV account. So you have to download the IGTV app from the Play Store or the App Store. You then have to click connect to your Instagram account, follow the steps on your screen, allowing you to learn a little bit about IGTV and then creating your account. Once you've created your account, your IGTV account will be visible inside your Instagram account, which you'll be able to see just here. So as you see, inside my account, we have the IGTV icon just there. So I wanted to show you, it brings all your videos into your account so that it's seamless between your Instagram account and your IGTV account. Now, as an example of how you use it inside your Instagram account, I'll show you here. This first square here is an IGTV video that I popped up last week. When you press play, it gives you the first 60 seconds on your Instagram feed. And as you see, it says watch the full video in IGTV. Another really good thing about your IGTV video being in your Instagram feed is that the image is bigger. It's not square, it's more of a portrait version, which fills the screen much more inside the feed. When you want to watch the full video, at the end of the 60 seconds, it will ask you to watch more on your IGTV account, or you can click the button straight away. So we just bear with me while we wait for that to show up for you. So this little icon here shows your followers that this is a video that you're going to use later on. Now, I've embedded a horizontal video into my IGTV account because I was showing you how to use a screen. I was screen sharing. So it's easier if I'm doing a desktop version to do this. And as you see, if I click the button, it takes me automatically into my IGTV account. And this is where you can forward through the video to see how well and how immersive it really is. Now, another thing that you need to bear in mind in this account as well is that up here, where you have the title, learn how to add a link into your Facebook stories without 10,000 likes. There's a small little upside down triangle. If I was to click that, it opens up an area where you can write more information, and you can actually have a clickable link in this area, which you can click to take you outside of IGTV and Instagram and take your followers to your website or your landing page or your product. And this is a little secret that not many people know, but you now know it because you're watching this video to learn how to use your IGTV account. So just to recap, this video has covered how to find IGTV in your App Store or your Play Store, how to connect your Instagram account to your IGTV account, and the basic setups of your IGTV account. Watch the next video coming up to show you how to use your IGTV account to upload your first video, and how you to put all the information inside your IGTV account so that your followers can go wherever you want them to be taken.